Hey guys, welcome back to Hulya Ganda Channel. For today's vlog, kailangan nating magpa-antigen. Kasi as per Qatar policy, kapag fully vaccinated ka, hindi mo na kailangan mag-quarantine. So, kailangan mo ng antigen test.